I haven't processed that I'm moving yet, like I really haven't.
It's here.
Like I honestly thought I would maybe have like 5 boxes. Someone said, I know you said your new place was so good, but damn, this is amazing.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla.
Good freaking morning. We're moving still. Make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family. Yep, I have that tattooed on me. 14-year-old me was so smart. Today's just another day, but I don't want to make like boring vlogs. We're just like, oh, I'm packing, like watch me clean. Even though I'm sure you guys would still watch that for some reason. Also, to hear my voice, it's really weird because all the dust that I'm inhaling from moving, it's taking a toll on me. Sympathize for me in the comments. Anyways, but today's a jam-packed day. I have a couple meetings, 3 actually, 2 back-to-back in like 15 minutes, and then I have one that I have to drive to, but we're gonna be cleaning, going to Target, doing all that stuff, but I'm gonna make breakfast first. But how are you? Good morning. I don't know why, but I grew up with my dad. Wow, me talking about my dad. I don't think y'all have ever heard me say the word dad. It says a lot about the way I grew up. Whenever he made eggs, he always put the shells back in here, and I've just been accustomed to do that now.
2 seconds later.
Oh my god, burn my toes. All right, I just made some breakfast. I'm about to hop onto my first meeting. Should be about like 30 minutes. All right, I ran out of garbage bags while cleaning my bathroom because, oh. This is what it looks like right now. Very messy, but we're getting there. But I ran out of trash bags, so I have to go get those from Target. But I was like, oh, I'm just gonna go to Target looking like this. Which like, this girl's cute, right? But then I was like, oh, I remember I was telling myself that I want to like go out and like look presentable every single day. You know what I mean? Like show up as the girl that I want to be. So I was like, but doing my makeup is gonna take me like an hour. So I just put on lashes, did a little liner, and then filled in my brows, moisturized my face, lip gloss. These are the Kiss Pompadour lashes, by the way. They are so cute. I'm usually into the natural ones, but I thought I couldn't find them actually. So I put these on and I thought they'd be too much, but I think that they look kind of good. But I'm gonna put on a quick outfit and we're gonna head to Target, go get garbage bags and come back. But I'll only have like 30 minutes to clean because I have a meeting at 3:30. I wanna wear something comfortable, so I'm gonna wear these baggy Zumba pants with a tank top and then this from Danielle Guizo. Oh, I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. All right, don't mind the mess in the background, but this is what I mean though. Like, this is what the fit looks like. I'm wearing literal sweats, but they don't like look like sweatpants. You know what I mean? They kind of look like cool pants. So comfy. This tank top's comfy, but I added this like knit layer on top to make it more cool. And then I'm just wearing some sneakers, but this is what we got going right now. What do we think of the fit? I think it's super cute. It's comfy. I thrifted these pants. This shirt was like 10 bucks from Adika. This was like 300 though, but I bought it because I thought it would be a really good staple piece of my closet to like amp up simple outfits like this. Also, my skin is low-key acting up right now. There's like just a bunch of spots on it, but why do I not mind? Like, it's the fact that I'm like looking at my face right now with only eye makeup on and I'm like, she's cute, you know? I feel like it's like the last thing that I look at, which is surprising because I used to beat myself up for having acne at all times, but I feel like I just don't care anymore. Anyways, let's go to Target. Okay, I'm in Target now. All I need is just trash bags, but my tummy is a little bit hungry, so I might get a little Starbucks drink, even though that makes no sense, but I think I'm addicted to Starbucks. That sounded like the most like white person thing I could ever say. I'm gonna shut up. Ugh. I kind of forget that Valentine's exists. I've been alone for Valentine's every single year of my life. Dope. That brownie's calling my name. You know what? My skinny legend journey starts when I move into my new house, okay? Like, I know I say you can start habits and stuff at any time. You don't have to like wait, but I choose to wait and I will. When I move, I'm gonna start my skinny legend journey, healthy legend journey, you know what I mean? Hi, could I get just a small brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso, please? And then could I get a brownie warmed up? Look at me, guys, not getting a venti. See, I wasn't worried about getting Starbucks because I was like, oh, like it's literally like one drink, like it's not gonna do anything, but it's the fact that I've made a habit of it to do it for like the past month and a half straight. That's when it's an issue, you know? Because like, I don't care, I'll treat myself to brownies, cookies, Starbucks, all the time because I'm like, whatever, like it's literally gonna do nothing to me. But when I make a habit of it and do it for like what, 45 days in a row, that's when it's an issue. Treat yourself to a brownie, y'all. They're so good. Ugh, this lighting's trash. Brown sugar, shaken espresso, so good. This brownie, wow, what a nutritious breakfast. This brownie is so good for some reason. Like, I don't remember them being like this thick. This is a mix between cake and brownie. It's so good. This is actually so good. Oh my god. Time time is currently 3 o'clock. I'm gonna head to the gas station first and then to downtown LA because I have a meeting for a business that I've been working on for the past year. And it hasn't been released. I haven't shown y'all talks about it or anything. It will be getting released this year though, but if you guys want the first updates, text my phone number. And you know, I'm gonna let you in a little secret. I've been scheming for the past, I don't even know how long, for like 6 months to drop this business using this phone number. And it's my phone number and I can text you guys on it. But I want it to be like exclusive. So only if you got this phone number, you'll hear about it first. And I've been scheming for so long and I haven't told you guys, but yeah, y'all will get a secret password when the business drops on this phone number. And if you can't text it or for whatever reason, I will drop it to like YouTube in the public, but this phone number just gets first access, if that makes sense. But I'm so excited. I've been working on this for so long now. I've had so many meetings. It's not even close to being done yet, not gonna lie, but we're getting there. He's coming too. I literally didn't even tell him to come. He just ran out the door. Get in, loser, we're going shopping. Okay, I have a question because I know a lot of people are like different when they fill up gas. First of all, I know a lot of people hate filling up gas. They're like, it's the worst thing ever. I don't mind it at all. I didn't realize that was a thing that people despise until recently. So do you hate filling up gas? Second of all, when you fill up gas, do you do it just like $20 the bare minimum and then keep going back to do it? Because I know a lot of people that do that as well. But whenever I fill my gas, I fill it all the way to the top. Like I do not only do $20. And I know some people can only do $20 because that's all they can afford. But I know people that just do it just because they don't want to wait long. But then I'm like, you just run out of gas faster. Also, do you wait until your gas tank is like almost empty to fill it up, or do you just fill it up whenever you feel like it? Because I always wait till it's almost empty, which is so bad for my car, but I can't be bothered. Like I have never just filled up my car when it was like halfway. I always do it when it's like empty, which is really bad for my car. But yeah, let me know. We're literally about to have a gas conversation down in the comments. If you don't have a car, RIP to you, you can't join us. Bro, I'm literally tearing up right now. I just was looking at my YouTube studio and I was looking at my subscriber count. I don't see it as like the 1.6. Like I see the full 1 million number with all of the digits. And I was like looking at it and it literally just like looks like a bunch of random freaking numbers. And I was like, it's the fact that like I can look at my subscriber count and like not even be able to comprehend the number. Like it's just random numbers. Like it is beyond insane how many people are subscribed to me. And I don't know if I'm ever gonna like understand the amount of people, like, because I've said this so many times before, it feels like one person, but like I really just looked at my subscriber count because I don't really look that often just because I feel like it throws me off. Like I just feel like when you get into numbers and stuff, it's just YouTube isn't fun anymore. Like I always want YouTube to just be something that I do because I love it, you know what I mean? Not because I care about the numbers. So I don't really be looking at my subscriber count that often. Like obviously I see it, but I don't fixate on it. And I just fixated on it for the first time in a while and I was like, holy crap. I literally just like shot back like that's a raven. And it like took me back to me being depressed in my apartment when I was 16 years old, dropping out of high school, not knowing what I was doing with my life and just believing in myself and being like, you know what, like I'm just gonna take YouTube full-time seriously. Like I can do it. And back then, like I had just reached 100,000 subscribers, which is a lot of people, but like that number has multiplied by almost 17 times now. I'm literally like, my hairs are standing up. Like I have goosebumps right now because I'm like, holy crap, like this is my life and I'm so grateful for it. Like I can't believe that like I'm literally living my dream life. I have goosebumps. I literally have goosebumps and I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi. Daniela's currently over right now, but she's picking up all the plants and like all the fragile stuff.
She's new?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Right? Crazy.
Professional.
So she's picking up all the plants and like all the pillars and stuff like that, but like it's actually happening. Like I'm moving.
Oh shit, it's not fake.
No, I grew these all out. I put so much pride and joy into these plants.
Oh my.
This is so crazy. I grew a love for plants in this house. Like this house is the thing that sparked my love for plants because it had south facing windows, skylights, so like it was a breeding ground. Look, these are all connected. Oh, it was a plant mommy. Ooh, these are long. People would pay good money for this.
You had a lot of plants. I don't know why, but for some reason, someone like always looks fake to me.
Well, it's because they look like they're like so
look good.
long. It's like, oh, wow. Oh, this cactus is literally like 5 feet tall, guys.
I've always wanted a cactus.
I don't know how you're gonna put this in your car. It might have to go in the moving truck.
That is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's taller than you. Go stand by it, Danny. You're literally gonna have a cactus taller than you. Wow. Good morning, welcome back. Today I am still moving. I just went to the Goodwill and they didn't accept my donation. What is with Goodwills being full? Like, it happens often. Like, I didn't realize that like Goodwills had too much shit, but 2 locations were full, so I'm gonna head to another one. But I'm gonna go to Starbucks first, get something to drink. Y'all know I have like an obsession, but we're gonna quit once I move. I've told myself that, okay? Hi, I'll just get a brownie. Yeah, could I get it warmed up, please? And then, yeah, could I get the iced chocolate peppermint mocha? Could I get a grande with light ice? Thank you. All right, I just got my Starbucks. I was trying to get like a sausage and egger because I didn't eat this morning, which I was gonna anyways, but I just wanted a snack. But they didn't have it, so I opted for a brownie. Not the same thing, but like it's carbs, you know? I just wanted carbs. It was such a nutritious breakfast. Anyways, I'm gonna go drive to a Goodwill. Dropped everything off. I'm at the dog park now because I brought Sterling for that reason. I just had coffee and I have to poop so bad. But I didn't want to like go home and then come out because I was like, oh, that's such a waste of time. Like, let me just come to the dog park. Like, it'll be fine. When was the last time you had to hold in your Yo, this is getting real TMI, but this shit the most uncomfortable feeling ever. Like, I can't even sit down and like read my book. I'm like, all right, 5 minutes, dude, and we're going. Because like, I don't know if you can tell, but my face right now, like my eyes are watering. Like, I can literally feel chills down my spine. This is really TMI, okay.
Few moments later.
I'm literally shivering right now. Oh my God, I have goosebumps. I woke up at 8 a.m. and I continued to pack my house because it wasn't even done and the movers were supposed to come at 10, but then I texted them, I was like, can you come at 11 please? Because like I always underestimate how much time it's gonna take me to do things. This is what the place is looking like. That's trash. I cleared off the tables and stuff so that the movers could come, but this whole closet was like completely set up and full this morning, but then this morning I cleared it out and everything, but it's moving day. I love how y'all literally have no idea what's going on. Like, I haven't told you what I'm doing or anything. I'm just gonna kind of take you along and you're gonna be here for the journey. I look so bad, but what's new? Anyways, I'm gonna go get some coffee because like low-key I've been really stressed out and like I don't have a personality right now, so I'm gonna go drink some coffee. The movers are gonna be here in 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Let's quickly go. It's here. I just went to Starbucks. Ew, why don't I just went to Starbucks, got a iced peppermint mocha. I've been obsessed with this lately. I don't know why, but it's moving day. The moving truck is here. They're gonna pack up everything. I literally haven't told you guys where I'm moving, what place I'm moving into, nothing, but I feel like that's the surprise because I don't even know. I haven't seen it yet. Like, that's the funny part. It's not funny. It's kind of scary, but I just haven't thought about it, you know? I feel like these impulsive decisions is always the best ones until one day it's gonna fuck me over. I'm sure it's fucked me over so many times, but I just haven't noticed, you know? Like, I just kind of forget about it. Oh, you can tell that the stress is hitting me because I'm talking way too fast. Do I look like a mom? Do I look like your mom? That's the goal. I can't believe I started packing like literally 48 hours ago and now the house is about to be empty. We love an efficient queen. I thought I wasn't gonna be bringing that much stuff, but like I have so many boxes that I packed up. I don't even know how I have that much stuff because I'm like, oh, I'm only gonna bring a couple boxes, like, you know, start fresh. But then somehow I managed to end up having like literally like 12 boxes. Why am I out of breath? How much shit I had. Like, I honestly thought I would maybe have like 5 boxes. Tell me why my whole driveway is like full right now. The funny thing is, I haven't gotten approved for my new place yet, so I don't know if that's an issue. Definitely is, but like I don't think it's an issue. Like, I'm telling myself it's not and that it's gonna get figured out. So as long as we have that mindset, we're chilling. Alright, basically everything is packed up. That's just the furniture, not even the boxes yet. I have a whole bunch of boxes out front. I have to ship all these boxes. Insane. This house was definitely like the coolest house architecturally that I've ever lived in. It looks like a little cave and it was like hidden in the back of the neighborhood on a dead end street, so it was so calm at all times. I loved it. Okay, so we're at Danny's house right now. They're currently unpacking everything from the truck. It's like almost 5 o'clock. It's been a long day, but it's all this stuff, but we got a lot of it in. I pranked you guys and I put on the Pham account a picture of Danny's house. And everyone's like, oh my God, is this your new house? I'm in love. Like, I'm such a little prankster. No, it's not my new house, but I just love trolling with you guys because I've been telling you guys like, oh my god, this new place that I'm moving in is so nice. Like, you guys have to wait. I've been teasing it for so long and now I'm pranking everybody and it's so funny. I'm reading all my DMs on my spam account right now. Go follow me on there because like that's where I read most of my DMs. I read my DMs on my main, but the spam, like if you know, you know. Yo, I hate being that bitch that talks about the spam account. Like, do you see this? I literally just like talk and like act like y'all are my besties and like write paragraphs and then we talk and I read your guys' DMs and stuff. But this is so funny. You guys really think you're like getting a sneak peek right now. I'm such a troll. Anyways, Sterling's been nomming. He's been nomming on his little treat. This is what her upstairs living room looks like right now. Cute. I love her couch. I'll give you a little tour. Look at her kitchen. We just put this here because she's gonna get an island, but for now she's just doing this as well. Very cute. Surprisingly, this mirror didn't like break the glass. Only this part did, but this is easily glued back on. But we didn't have like no styrofoam or anything. We just like squished it in between two mattresses. And then this is the couch. Okay, so she wanted a blue couch, but like it's so expensive. So I told her to just get this upholstered, like get people, professional fabric people to just like put fabric over it because like it's a really nice big couch. It's just dirty.
I think I'm gonna do it like one here and then one going this way because it's so big.
Wow, her kitchen is so gorgeous. Look at this oven. Can y'all, like, first of all, this sink, wow. This, wow. This, wow. This, wow. And you know she's rich when she has the fridge with the touch screen. Like, I grew up with like one of those like black fridges and those white fridges. Like never stainless steel. Yeah, this girl like grew up like without this shit. Now she's just balling. Like, do you see this hardware and soft clothes too? Wow. You see this dishwasher? It's got like the red detail on it. This like farmer sink. Oh my god, and like this tray in here, I don't even know what it's called, but it just screams rich. I'm tricking the spam account. I'm gonna post that this is my fridge. Y'all can't trust me. Y'all thought you could trust me, you can't. Oh! Y'all are saying spam account always gets the sneak peeks. Like, y'all thought. Y'all really think right now? I'm actually shitting my pants. Someone said, I know you said your new place was so good, but damn, this is amazing.
They really think.
Stop! If this is the new place, oh my fucking god! Everyone's saying, oh my lord, this is the new house. Look, Danny, it's approved. It's approved by everybody.
She hasn't even showed me her apartment yet.
Stop right now. No, I'm keeping it a secret. I mean, I've
like,
shown a
not
couple
showing.
people. I'm keeping it a secret. That's like, it's the climax, you know? Ew. Don't use that word.
No,
It's the climax. Hi, I'm just here to pick, I'm good, you? I'm just here to pick up the clothes. It's currently 7 o'clock. Can't believe I've been at it for like so many hours, but finally picking up my clothes from last week.
Would you like to try something else?
Yeah, I'll try this on. Okay, obviously not this fit together, but I've had this Dolce & Gabbana shirt for like a year now. I never wore it because it was too small, but I finally got it tailored. These pants definitely don't go with the fit, but they were like a men's size and way too long. Now they are the perfect length.